Kirana? Oh, apparently you have come back from Yogyakarta. Yes, I came home from Yogyakarta yesterday. My family and I used the train. Train? What is that? Yes, train. Do you know train? I don't know.
Oh, hello! Does anyone here know what is train? Yep, here there are 3 vehicles. And which one the train? Yep, that is the sound of the train. Which one the train? Is it the first picture? No, it is not. Or is it the second picture? No, it is not. Or is it the last picture? Yep, that is train. That is the sound of the train. So, what is the name of the first and the second picture? Well, here in Sandra's class with me, Miss Sandra, we will learn some vehicles and its sound. Alright, what are some vehicles that we will learn today? Let's see and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there are 8 vehicles that we will learn today. So, let's get started.
La la la, vehicles, vehicles.
Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome to Vehicles World. Today, we're gonna drive vehicles. Are you ready?
Step 1.
Ring, ring the bicycle. Ring, ring the bicycle. Ring, ring the bicycle. I'm riding a bicycle.
Step 2.
Rim, rim, rim the car. Rim, rim, rim the car. Rim, rim, rim the car. I'm driving a car.
Step 3.
Beep, beep, beep the bus. Beep, 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 beep the bus. Beep, beep, beep the bus. I'm driving a bus.
Step 4.
Choo, choo, choo the train. Choo, choo, choo the train. Choo, choo, choo the train. I'm driving a train. Ring, ring the bicycle. Rim, rim, rim the car. Beep the bus. Choo, choo the train. Let's drive vehicles. Yeah.
Wow, that's a very nice song, right? But from 8 vehicles that we will learn today, do you find it all in the song? No, we just find 4 vehicles. Those are bicycle, car, bus, and train. So how about other vehicles? Now, let's get acquainted of all vehicles. I mean 8 vehicles that we will learn today. So, let's get started.
Hello, I am an airplane. I go whoosh whoosh whoosh. Hello, I am a bicycle. I go ring ring ring. Hello, I am a bus. I go beep beep beep. Hello, I am a car. I go vroom vroom vroom. Hello, I am fire truck. I go neenar neenar neenar. Hello, I am a police car. I go wee wee wee. Hello, I am a ship. I go toot toot toot. Hello, I am a train. I go toot toot toot.
Wow! 8 vehicles have already introduced themselves. Do you still remember their name? Well, let's repeat. You can repeat after me. Well, the first one. What is this? Yup, this is an airplane. Airplane goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And the second one. Okay, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yep, this is a bicycle. A bicycle goes ring, ring, ring. And the next one. What is this? Yep, this is a bus. A bus goes beep, beep, beep. And the next one. What is this? Yes, this is a car. A car goes vroom, vroom, vroom. And the next one. What is this? Yep, this is fire truck. A fire truck goes Nina, Nina, Nina. And the next one. Oh, what is this? Yep, this is a police car. A police car goes wee-yoo, wee-yoo, wee-yoo. And then the next one. Oh, what is this? Yep, this is a ship. A ship goes toot, toot, toot. Okay, and the next one. What is this? Yes, this is a train. A train goes choo choo choo. Okay, that's very great, students. Okay, wow, that's very amazing. You have already learned 8 vehicles today. Airplane, bicycle, car, bus, fire truck, police car, ship, and train. That's very great, students. And that's our meeting for today. And see you on the next class. Bye bye.